Hi, today I will show you how to create this glowing yet transparent object on Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I have prepared this object here, and make sure your render engine is cycle. Now we go to shader editor here and delete the principal BSDF. Add mix shader, layer weight, emission, and transparent BSDF. Connect them all like this. For the layer weight, I think I will choose facing instead of Fresnel. And as you can see now the object is transparent yet glowing because of the emission. I will try to use any color I want on the emission. You can also try to adjust it as much as you like. For the blend on the layer weight, the color and the strength of the emission. For a better result, you can try to turn off your environment color by change it into 0. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!